Hi, I'm Josh Anderson, Director of Assistive Technology with the Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads. Today, Jim Rinehart is going to demonstrate ScribeMe and some great ways that it could help with some different tasks.
Hi, my name is Jim Rinehart. I'm an Assistive Technology Specialist here at Easterseals Crossroads. Today's tech tip is about the ScribeMe app. The ScribeMe app is available in the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. It's a free download. And what it can be used for, that I'm going to talk about today, is going to be extracting text from either a PowerPoint presentation or a PDF document. This could be particularly helpful to screen reader users, as sometimes it's difficult to extract the text and know what's being said in either a presentation or a PDF file. One caveat is that the file that you're going to work with does need to be saved somewhere on your computer. It could be desktop, it can be in documents folder, or even on a external device. So the first thing we need to do, I have ScribeMe already downloaded and I have it open, and this computer we're going to make sure that it is in focus. So I'm going to do a task switch with Alt Tab and make sure that it's in focus. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to tab to the Browse PowerPoint Files button, because when ScribeMe opens up, it defaults to PowerPoint text extraction. We'll talk about PDFs here in a few moments. So I'm going to tab.
Browse PowerPoint Files button to activate, press spacebar.
Okay, then I'll hit the spacebar.
Space. File name colon. Choose a file dialog. File name colon edit combo. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Alt plus
Okay,
edit.
so this opens up to the choose a file dialog box. So I'm going to tab to the desktop.
Explorer pin and folder 1 of 3 view. This PC OneDrive variant ascend D download D desktop left enter.
And
Shell folder view items view list box and stuff, and for accessing document.
I'm going to go into this folder
view list box to move to and for accessing
and
documents.
choose this particular PowerPoint and press enter.
Enter. PowerPoint text extraction tab selected.
Now the extraction has started, and the amount of time it takes will generally vary depending on the size of the file. Okay, now you give it a little bit of time like that, and then you don't, unfortunately, you do not get a whole lot of warning when it's done, but I'm going to now Shift Tab back to the reading pane.
PowerPoint text extraction, read only edit. Use your reading keys to read the text.
And now I can just use my normal reading tools like I would in a Word document or in an email to actually read the text that's in the slide. So
Slide 1.
I'm just going to use the down arrow key.
And for accessing documents. Jim Rinehart M.A.ATP CWDP. I have no relevant financial relationships to disclose. Blank. Slide 2. Who is Jim?
Okay, and so forth. So I can do that. I can use insert down arrow to just read it all. I can go like control right arrow and go word by word.
Assistive Technology.
Just like I would with a Word document or with an email. So that's basically the extraction for a PowerPoint presentation. Now, if I want to switch to a PDF text for extraction, I can do the Shift tab until I get up to the top.
PowerPoint text extraction tab selected. To switch pages, press Control page down.
And then I can use the right arrow to get to PDF extraction.
To switch pages, press Control
and now
page
I can go to use the tab key to go to the Browse PDF Files button.
PDF text extraction. Browse PDF files button to activate. Press spacebar.
So press either Enter or Spacebar.
Space. File name colon. Choose a file dialog. File name colon edit
Okay.
combo. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Alt
And this
plus
time again, I have another folder that's on the desktop, so I'm going to do Shift Tab to the navigation pane.
Explorer pane. Control host. 3
and go to the desktop,
desktop left enter.
and this time
Shell folder view items view list box at for and stuff 3 of 36.
I'm going to go to AT stuff,
Enter shell folder view items view list box.
and I want to go to
Computer
AT guides,
enter shell folder view explorer
and then
page,
from here
folder layout
I'm
page,
going to
shell
pick
folder view items view list box at folder 2/12/125
one of the
PM file.
one of the PDF files that's in this folder,
Accessible hardware overview 1 page 2 of
and then
8.
I'm going to press enter.
Enter. ScribeMe PDF text extraction tab selected. To switch pages, press Control page down. Browse PDF files button to activate. Press space bar.
And again, it takes a little bit of time to extract it, and it doesn't really give you a lot of warning, but after a bit, you can always check, so I'm going to press Shift Tab.
PDF text extraction read only edit. Use your reading keys to read the text.
And now I can
Page 1.
use my normal reading tools
Accessible
to
hardware overview.
read the text that's on this document.
Outline colon.
So just like that. Now, Alt F4 will close ScribeMe and take you back to the desktop, or if you had another document open or another application over. So that's it. That's the ScribeMe app. Hope you find it useful and helpful. And I thank you so much for taking the time to watch today's Tech Tip. Have a fantastic day.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the InData Project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.